Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we have a look of TRON TRX character. What's the price change goes in TRON? In this video I will show you friends, and what's the next target I will also show you in this video. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so kindly click the subscribe button right now for new video notification friends. As you can see here, the change occurred in TRX in the last 1 hour. So the change is about negative 2.88% change occur and the TRX in the last 1 hour friends. That is the last 1 hour price prediction. And if you look the high price of TRX in the last 1 hour, so the high price is about 0.1248 USD dollar is a current price in the last 1 hour price of the TRX in the last 1 hour friends. Now friends, if we look the chart analysis of the TRX, so as you can see here friends, they continuously falls down. As you can see here, falls down, and now if we look the current situation, so currently they are badly falls down. That is why the change is in negative friends. Now let's see for more details the last 1 day price prediction, what's the change goes in the previous last 1 day, and let's check it out the technical analysis and what's the next target of TRX coin. As you can see here, first of all we look the change occurring in the last 1 day as about negative 16.7%, and the high price of TRX is about 0.1475 USD dollar is our high price of TRX and the last 1 day friends. And now friends, if we look the price prediction of the TRX, as you can see here the chart, let's suppose that is a support level, let's suppose that is a support level, and that is a resistance level friends. Let's suppose, as you can see here friends, so it is clear for us that the after a jump, as you can see here, they take a jump at this time, and after a jump they again falls down friends. As you can see here, now they are falling down, and after this falls they again take a jump friends. So what's your opinion about TRX? I think there's a 70% chances to they take a jump and 30% chance to they falls down friends. If you agree with me, so kindly like this video and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates friends. If you are a holder, so please, my suggestion for all of you that please hold it, because the big explosion of the TRX coin are coming soon, so please wait for it. Thank you so much. So, see you next time.